Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Ubud, and now it's around 5 o'clock, guys, in the afternoon. Anyway, the weather today is really strange because, like 1 hour ago I came to Gianyar, it was big rain. Even here, it was raining, I think. And suddenly now, as you can see, the weather is shining. Hello. Hi, Dada. They're really happy to be in the camera, and I think they said they have their YouTube channel. Okay, let's continue. I'm entering Jalan Jambawan here in Ubud. I think some of you know about this area because along this street you will find a lot of accommodation and there are a lot of businesses as well. And here there's a new, what is this, new shops, I think, a small coffee shop. I didn't see it last time. And also here on the right side, what is this, a spa? All are new here. It's been quite a long time that I didn't come here, and there were a lot of new businesses at the back there. So if you plan to come here, you will notice the change in this area. And there is another spa here, guys, on the right side. Jambawan spa. This is also new. They have the Balinese spa, or is it Ayur yoga, hot stone, and many more. If you're looking for staying at homestays along the street, you will see a lot of homestays here on the left side, on the right side. What is this? Bungalows. Yeah. So you will be staying together with the Balinese family. Because normally in a house compound in Bali, there are quite big area, and if they have good income, maybe they will build like a few houses and then they will stay in one house and then they keep the rest for renting. For you that planning to stay or want to stay at a homestay, you can stay at this kind of area. Anyway, there are lots kind of areas in Ubud, guys. Jalan Jambawan, Jalan Sukma Kesuma, and Jalan, what else? There are so many, Sriwedari, a lot of options. And look at this gate. It's a beautiful gate with Bali carving here. That is high homestay, guys. Have you been staying here? And the price, of course, is cheaper compared than the proper hotel or a villa, of course. It's just different vibe. What is this? Pak Mare Art Gallery. Oh, there is nice painting there. Market painting. Maybe it's expensive here. And also some more here. And what is this? Yeah, I know some of you asked me about if it's raining a lot in Bali. It's raining season now. Is it safe to come to Bali? This is what is happening during the rainy season, guys, because now we are entering our rainy season. We are in the rainy season anyway. Sometimes we got rain and then off again and then rain off again. But lately, most of the time, we have rain at night, like quick rain, and suddenly stop again. Or today, for example, rained like 30 minutes for 1 hour and then suddenly it is bright, shining again, guys. So generally it is still safe to come to Bali, enjoying your holiday, especially if you're staying in a touristy area. And now our government, they have been starting already actually to fix all the drainage, especially in the main area. As you saw, like big project at the main street of Sanur. They're fixing all the drainage. I think the Sanur, the main area, is flooding free now. In Ubud as well, I saw there are some projects around Maya Resort. They make the drainage bigger, so there will be no flooding around that area. And also in Seminyak area, they're fixing the drainage as well. So yeah, I appreciate for the government acts, and I hope they will do better again, because a lot of things that we need to fix from Bali, especially the facilities drainage, the footpath makes tourists more comfortable. Okay, let's continue. What is this here? There's a silver cross here. Silver cross Ubud. Anybody of you like to learn how to make jewelry from silver? Anyway, there are a lot of classes that you can do, and I heard that silver price now is really expensive. But if you want to learn make rings, for example, you will not use a lot of silver. And this is also new business here. Organic premium gelato. Well, look at that. You can have your gelato here. 350 grams, 35k. And there is a local warung, which is good. You can buy your drinks, your snacks. If you just want to buy your water, I think you can get water from that local warung, and of course the price is cheaper compared. You can go if you go to, let's say, big supermarket. It is good to walk around at this kind of street with a lot of traditional gates, Bali traditional gates like this. And there is another warung here. Anybody of you have been staying in this area? Maybe you can share your experience in our comment section. And here is Aswa's Bed and Breakfast. What is this? Ran's house? Yeah, there are a lot of homestays in this area, or bungalows. And there are some projects as well ongoing. What is this? I think it's a new spa. Hello, Bu. New spa. Baru ya, Bu ya? Papanya aja. Oh. The price of the spa is okay. I mean, like 1 hour Balinese massage is 120,000 rupiah, and 30 minutes shoulder or something. I saw only like 60,000 rupiah. It is good. And what is this? It's a big project ongoing. I'm not really sure what they will do, what they are building. Maybe another hotel? Oh, there is a tattoo studio here now. It's getting more and more tattoo studio in Ubud. I recognize. But, hello. But if you compare then Kuta or Lagian, of course, there are so many down there. And this one is the Adiwana Jambawan, guys. Have you been staying here? I think maybe this is one of the biggest hotel in this area. They have the restaurants here. Dinner time, I think it will be busy. Wow, the croissant here looks good. Pisak, cocktail, mojito. And they have burger as well. Probably the price of the food or drinks at that kind of small warung maybe good, yeah? What do you think? Probably it's better if you compare than the big restaurant. But anyway, we are getting closer to Ubud or Main Street or Jalan Raya Ubud. But of course, before we reach there are some businesses in this area as well. New shops here. Goldiana Massage. And here, Taylor. Hello. You can get some nice dresses. Tailor shops. Ran's Warung, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Wow, we just passed by their, what you call that, their bungalows. They have their warungs here. What is this? It's quite a big restaurant. It looks good, yeah? The design. More here, Nikuna, Warung, and Art Gallery. Yeah, some changing in this area, this corner. And Sansan Warung. I think last time someone mentions about this Warung. I think she's the owner, yeah. And look at the decoration, marigold flowers, and a Balinese gate. It looks good. Even I'm Balinese, I still like to see the, what you call that, the traditional gates like that. But maybe some of you that never see that before, either I think most of you like it, don't you? But maybe some will say looks strange. What is this? Ganesha Bookshop. Wow, this is good. Hopefully this business will stay, will survive. I think a lot of people still like to read books like this, even though now people read everything online. And this is the main street of Jalan Raya Ubud, guys. That is a new building there, but it's still empty. I don't know what it will be. I think it's considered quiet at the moment. Maybe because of the weather. We got like heavy rain earlier, so people like to stay at their hotel, enjoying their time at their hotel. Oh. There's warung here. Halal warung. If you look for halal warung, you can come to this place. A lot of Indonesian food, of course. Warung Borneo. Okay, let's just keep walking. It was nice walk actually along Jalan Jambawan. What do you think? You like to stay along or around that area maybe? Or you want to visit the cafes there? There are some new cafes for you to have your just coffee, chill maybe. Or you want to have some lunch and dinner. Okay, so I think that's all for this time video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you again at the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.